this one might not come up as much in a foundation GCSE paper, but it might do, so it's good to understand. So for example 3, it's a little bit harder than the previous examples, but I just wanted to put it in there just so you understood what could come up in the exam. So we're told that James has 3/5 as many marbles as John, and we need to write the total number of marbles as a simplified ratio. And of course we can't do 3/5 to 1. You can't do that in ratio, so we need to make it so it's a whole number. So what we're going to do is we're going to times each of the numbers by 5. As I said, we can't have 3/5 to 1 because not whole numbers, so we're going to times this by 5 and times this by 5. So when we do 3/5 times 5, that gives us 3. So we're multiplying by 5 because the bottom number is 5. We do the same if it was 3/7, we would then times it by 7. And then we also need to obviously do 1 times 5, which gives us 5. And then our answer is 3, 5. We still need to follow the same pattern as the ratio because that is how the notation is written. Hopefully this makes sense, and hopefully it doesn't appear a lot in the exam, but it's good to know just in case it does.